Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Get the tag in the bag. So for now, since I haven't found a window for the rear yet, we're gonna tape it up with duct tape and see how that works for now, because we're trying to see if we can maybe call the window guy to get this fixed, but we'll see what goes on. I mean, oh shit, there's a bee. But yeah, I'll get you guys turned around. So this is how it looks like. I'm about to tape it up in a couple seconds, but yeah, as you can see, I can put my whole hand through the but yeah, let's get started. This is how it's looking. I left it like this, double taped it. I put one tape first, and then I put double layered, and then I put a couple more on top. That way it just stays on there, because it does look like it's gonna rain today. So we'll see what goes on. I got the inside warming up. No, got Stella in there. Stella, hi mama, hi baby. Yeah, I got the project in the front, got the SI in the back. You already know what's up. Yeah. What is up, you guys? As you can see in the back, you know where I'm at. And guess what I got? Yeah, tags for the tag. Let's get it. Today, I'm on the other side. As you can see, it's behind me. Yeah. About to get this all started. Let's put these tags on the tag. Let's get it. So I'm back at my cousin's shop. I came to my cousin's shop. Got the EG in the back. They're working on it right now, but that's a separate video. Right now, I'm basically working on the tag, cleaning it out and stuff like that. So let me show you. Kind of dirty in here. There's got coolant, sprays, some wires, distributor. You know, I'm gonna put on. Get the gaskets ready. But yeah, right now. Oh, the tape was holding on as well, so you guys can see. Water didn't really get inside, but this is how dirty it looks right now. About to put the spray bottles over there. About to put some gloves on as well. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. Pretty dirty. Got the jump box just in case of anything. Pretty dirty in here. Giving you guys a look around of this junk. But yeah, we getting it. Yes, sir. So as you can see, this is how it turned out. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Back seat. Oh, I still gotta put the junk on the back. But pretty clean, pretty clean. Just gotta get probably new carpet and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what we said. Oh yeah, about to be cranking. Got some parts right there. Pretty clean carpet. You know how it be. But yeah, I'm about to put the Jones back right there, and then the driver's side real quick. We gotta do the panel still, but we're not done yet. Just a little vacuum. See how show you guys how it looks. Just a little dusty, but we're about to get it clean. Just a little wash real quick too. See how that does. It'll come out easy. So, as you guys can see, we just gave it a little wash. Pretty clean. The wheels came out amazing. Still looks great. Jesus.